Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna unbox 15-watt max pocket sized 3-in-1 MagSafe charger. This is a compact version of the previous one in my last video, which is the foldable charger, which is right here. And this is the pocket sized. You can put it on your pocket due to its a small form factor. It is MagSafe compatible with 15 watts charger, quick charger, and like iPhone, you can charge with like iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watches. So yes, you can charge any Apple devices. So let's get to unboxing it. We're gonna put the sticker to the side, and here it is, guys. This is the other charger. Wait 1 second. There we go. And it comes with the USB-C cables and the power adapter. And here it is, guys. This is the pocket-sized MagSafe charger. And let's just open this one, and it's good. I'm actually serious though. It's good. And it has like this one. This is for Apple Watch, this is for phones, this is for, and this one is for AirPods. So, and this is the adapter for this one. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any more updates. Peace.